Hi, I'm Sarah Starr from Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. In today's session, we'll be focusing on releasing tension and strain in our shoulders, neck, and upper back while using a chair for support. Let's go ahead and begin by focusing on our breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine. And on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. Adding the second part to our three-part breath, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale, belly, then ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath. Exhale, belly, and then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale, belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale, belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Beginning with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around. Refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Stay connected to your smooth, even breath as you switch directions. And release, returning to center. Transitioning into neck rotations. Gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder and left. Continue moving slowly and gently, allowing this movement to originate from the point between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine long and your shoulders relaxed. Release and return to center. Transitioning into a lateral stretch, step your feet wide. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach your left arm to the sky. Exhale, reach up and over to the right. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach your right arm to the sky. Exhale, bow to the left, keeping the weight even in your hips and your shoulders relaxed. Release and return to center. Transitioning into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, relax your right ear towards your right shoulder. Reach your left arm away. Adding on, we'll point and flex through your left hand, feeling a gentle stretch through your hand, wrist, shoulder, and neck. Release, and we'll repeat to the opposite side. Sitting tall, relax your left ear towards your left shoulder. Reach your right arm away. Adding on, point and flex through your right hand, keeping your shoulders relaxed and your spine long. Release and return to center. Touch your fingertips to your shoulders. Extend your arms, palms facing upwards, and bend. Continue with this movement, creating more mobility in your joints. Open your arms wide as you continue with this movement. Keep your fingertips to your shoulders. From here, touch your elbows front, lift up, open wide, touch front. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, reverse directions, touch your elbows front, open wide, lift up, touch front. And release. Reach your right arm across your body. Use your left arm to gently guide it in, reaching strongly through your fingertips, keeping your shoulders down and back. Release and repeat to the opposite side, reaching energetically through your left fingertips. And release. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue with this movement, increasing circulation in your upper body, stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Pausing with your arms extended overhead. Bend your right arm, reaching between your shoulder blades. Use your left hand to gently guide your right arm in along the right side of your head. Keep your shoulders relaxed, lightly firming your lower ribs in and your chin level with the earth. Adding a lateral stretch, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow to the left. Release, repeating to the opposite side. Bend your left arm, reaching between your shoulder blades. Use your right hand to gently guide your left arm in along the left side of your head. Adding a lateral stretch, inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, bow to the right, breathing wide into your left side body, keeping the weight even in your hips. Release, returning to center. Transitioning into a modified eagle pose. Reach your arms forward. Scoop your right arm under your left with the backs of your hands facing each other. Fingertips point to the sky. If space allows, press your hands together as you continue to send your arm bones forward and up. Cross your right leg over your left, squeezing your thighs together as you lift your ribs up and out of your waist. Adding a twist, maintain your legs. Reach your arms forward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left arm forward and your right arm back, rotating from your belly, ribs, and chest. Exhale to unwind, and we'll return to center. Repeating to the opposite side, reach your arms forward, scoop your left arm under your right. With the backs of your hands facing each other, fingertips point to the sky. If space allows, press your hands together. Cross your left leg over your right, squeezing your thighs together, keeping your spine long, your chin level with the earth, and your arm bones vertical. Adding a twist, unwind the arms. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your left arm back and your right arm forward. Exhale to unwind and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your left hand to your right leg and your right hand behind you for support. Inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine upward. Exhale, gently twist. Exhale to unwind. Repeating to the opposite side, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your right hand to your left leg and your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lift through your sternum, lengthening your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Exhale to unwind, returning to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Allow your breath to be easy and natural, growing as spacious as possible, absorbing the beauty and ease of this moment as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like. And when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
After filming over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr for public television, we're proud to present Happy Yoga on Demand. Over the last 10 years of teaching chair yoga, Sarah Starr has become the foremost expert in creating accessible yoga practices. And with this online streaming service, you're able to have access to the entire Happy Yoga catalog, including all the Happy Yoga episodes, live audio yoga classes, breath, and meditation.
Each portal provides you with a customized experience, including our accessible yoga portal, featuring our gentle yoga programs for anyone who wants to know how to start a practice, or if regular yoga just seems like too much, but still want to receive the benefits of yoga without getting out of your chair. Also included are the Mastering Balance programs, which allow you to experience seated and standing postures to strengthen your core, increase stability, balance, and muscle tone using a chair for support. From there, you have the option to take your practice to the yoga mat. If you've been doing accessible yoga and are looking for more of a challenge, our intermediate yoga portal provides you with a dynamic yoga practice with a variety of sessions, allowing you to grow your practice at your own pace. Whether you're new to yoga or looking for inspiration to grow your practice, we have a yoga session for you. Visit happyyogaondemand.com.